In the Kharkiv region, a destroyed Russian Mi-8 helicopter was recovered. The Kharkiv region saw the destruction of a Russian Mi-8 helicopter. The helicopter, which was identified and discovered in a field, fully damaged. The date of destruction is still unknown. During combat activities, the helicopter was most likely damaged and forced to land. The helicopter was later wrecked in the field for unclear reasons. The Mil Design Bureau designed the Mi-8 multipurpose helicopter in the 1960s. This two-engine helicopter is one of the most widely produced helicopters in the world. The Russian Mi-8 helicopter that arrived in search of the downed Su-25 pilot was shot down by Ukrainian troops in early March. You can subscribe for more breaking news.